Hi everyone, welcome back to Software Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how we can clone a WordPress site to the new domain. Also in this video I am going to do a site to site migration. That means we don't have to download any backup file and re-upload it to the other domain where we are going to clone the site. In this video I have this swag code site and I am going to replicate it on this wp.createdocs.com. In this video I will use UpdraftPlus plugin. So I will search UpdraftPlus, open the site. Here we have two different options, get free version or the premium version. In the free version we just can take the backup of the site, but we cannot migrate or clone the site to the new domain. For the migration we need the premium version. So I will get this premium version. Here choose the plan that you want or that suits you. I will choose this one and click on buy now. Now in the checkout, fill out your details and download the plugin. I have already downloaded it, so I will skip this part and I will move to the site. Now here I am going to install the plugin in the site. So I will log into the dashboard. Now I will go to plugins. As you can see, I have all these plugins are installed. Now I will upload a new file. Here I will go to upload plugins, choose a file, and I will choose this UpdraftPlus file and I will click on install now. Now the plugin is successfully installed. I will click on activate the plugin. Now I will go to plugin settings. Here at the end I have this UpdraftPlus and I will click on settings. Now here first of all we have this backup or restore file. Here we can take the backup of the site, but I am not going to take the backup. I will go to this migrate and clone tab, and here at the end I have three different buttons. Here I have this send a backup to another site button. I will click on it, and now I have to add a site. I will click on add a site, and here I have to add site key. To get this site key, go to the other site and log in here. Now I will add the same plugin here, but I already installed this plugin, so I will just go to its settings. As you can see, I don't have any backup yet. Now I will go to migrate and clone, and here I will click on receive a backup from a remote site. Now I will create a key. Now the key is successfully created. I will click on OK. Now copy all this key and paste it here. Now click on add site. Now the site is successfully added. Now I will click on send. Now here we have two different options, send existing backup file or send a new backup. As I don't have any backup file, so I will click on send a new backup. Now here we have the checklist, where we can uncheck anything that we don't want to send to the other site. If you don't want to send the database, you can uncheck it, but as I am going to clone entire site, so I will check each and everything except WordPress core, and then I will click on send. Now the backup is started. Now after the backup it will automatically send these files to the wp.createdocs.com. It will take some time, wait until it completes. Now the backup has finished. Also all the files are submitted to the new site. Now I will go to the other site. I will click on back and I will go to backup and restore, and here you can see I have received the backup files from swagcogroup.co.uk. Now I will click on the restore button. Now check all of these and click on next. Now click on restore button, and the restoration process is started. It will take some time, but in my case it won't take more than a minute, so I will wait until it finished. Now the restoration is successfully completed. I will click return to UpdraftPlus configuration, and it will take me to the login page. Now here keep in mind you have to add the login details of the site that you have cloned here. So I will put all of the details, and now I will click on login. Now the site is successfully cloned to the new domain. Here you can see the site name is also changed. I will click on visit site, and here you can see the site is cloned. I have this single page site, so I will test both of them if each and everything is working fine. Now I will click on menus. Here it looks like that, and on this page it's also working fine. Now each and everything including plugins, themes and the other settings that I have put in this website, each and everything is cloned to the new domain. That's how you can clone a WordPress website to the new domain without downloading the backup files and re-uploading to the new domain. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.